Welcome, this is your Option Monster Volatility Sonar Report. From the floor of the CBOE, this is Jamie Tyrrell of Group 1 Trading. Well, the VIX is finally edging down today after news that Berkshire Hathaway is going to be buying Burlington Northern at a large premium, shooting that stock from $75 up near the $100 price of the deal. Now, why we're seeing a little pullback in the VIX is because we've really run up towards 30 on some very volatile days. Last Friday in particular, a 3% sell-off. If you look over the last week, we've had 3 out of the last 4 days. The activity on the end of the day has been more than a 2 percentage point move in the S&P 500. Even yesterday, which was a day that we wound up 0.5%, we had a 25-point intraday range in the S&P 500. Today, since that Burlington Northern news has come out, the S&P 500 has been trading in a very tight range. We just went to up on the day, but we were moving between down 7 on the day and even on the day. So today, we'll see how the rest of the day pulls out. If we have a move, perhaps the VIX will test that upper bound of the 30 range again. But if we continue to sit, you're just, over the last 2 days, you won't have seen much volatility to support that 30 range. So as long as the S&P 500 sits still, you're probably going to continue to see the VIX leak down. Everyone waiting on a big event that could move the S&P and move the VIX up over 30. In option trading, we haven't seen the same level of concern among buyers. Yesterday, people were coming after the November 65 calls. That's a call that would need the VIX to more than double to go in the money. And today, we've really seen more traditional players. There's always been a player who wants to buy put 1x2s. So today, the play was buying the December 25 put to sell 2 December 22.5 puts. They paid 35 cents for that. Its maximum value is $2.50 if we settle right at 22.5, and it has value between 25 and 20. So that's a downside play. It's a cheap shot. Its only downside is below 20, where it can go in the money against them, and they start losing money dollar for dollar as the future goes below 20. So they're taking a bet there. Their upside in the low 20s, their downside below 20. Anywhere where we are right now, it would be out of the money. But that's the main play we've seen today. Not a lot of call buyers, which has been interesting because the last few days there have been a ton of call buyers buying 50 level strike and higher. That same level of concern isn't here today. Jamie Tyrrell with Group 1 Option Monster.